is possible. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we get out of here, what did you learn today? What did you learn today? So I can use it for my research and improve. Every day we reserve the right to get better and better to get to best, the best, the best. Thank you, Nola, for allowing us to learn from your character building day yesterday. Do do do. Boop, boop, boop. And that's one thing about me. I'm not about to make it seem like, oh, everything is, to quote Sheree, berries and cherries. Because it's not. I will show the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it. Got to keep it 100. So you will know that everybody is progress, not perfection. 100%. Do the difference between problem solving and decision making. And you need both. And in order to do it, PIMBAS, order of operations math, is how you improve your decision making and your problem solving. And it's okay if you get the math problem wrong. Berries and cherries. That's what Sheree Williams on Real Housewives of Atlanta said many years ago. Life ain't always going to be berries and cherries. In one of her diaries when I was still watching television. That type of television. So I need to learn order of operations for math. Yes, if you go to Khan Academy, we are on YouTube. And then if you just Google order of operations, literally you will get math worksheets that pop up with the answers, because that is definitely going to help you growing forward. So Kevin, Nola, Regina, I know Darnetta is on the call. Lola, if you're still here too, what did y'all learn? And again, I like the format on YouTube much better. Much better, much better, much better. Minus me having to type the poll question at the beginning. I think beauty is the best word to capture beauty, and I totally forgot about exponents in PIMBAS. Okay, anything else? So tomorrow we will be talking about the amygdala, but while that was happening, I said, we pushing that amygdala back. And it's KAHN Academy. They start at elementary school math, and they have college courses and everything. So KAHN Academy. They also have an app. I see it. Solving problems is a natural part of life, and one needs to be able to stay in working memory. Working memory is how you navigate through your day, all day, every day, in the executive function of your brain. So I wanted to ask, our lives on YouTube, and is there a subscription I can buy, or is it free here? Currently, it is free here because I do not meet the minimum requirements. You have to have 4,000 watched hours in order to monetize your YouTube channel. And because my videos are short, I wasn't paying attention to that. But currently, yes, you are available. It's not at a cost for you. If I don't keep people accountable, I'm being unaccountable. It is on TikTok. So on TikTok, the subscription there is, I'm actually identifying what is accountable behavior and unaccountable behavior. So how this works, Lorenzo, because you've been gone for a minute, is this. Instagram subscription is the no fear zone. That's for people who are afraid and they trying to attack their fears. On TikTok, that subscription over there is for you to start, when I'm live, for people to see that you're part of being personally accountable with your days and your subscription, because you're telling the world, I'm starting to learn how to hold myself personally accountable. By the time you get here on YouTube, you are in challenges and you are doing either real leader resources or challenges, and you're learning how to wire the neural pathways of your brain. Should I get to 4,000 hours, then I will see about the pricing component there, because I would like to keep it separate. But currently, that's not the case, because I've had this YouTube channel for 13 years, and the thought of monetizing it didn't really occur to me, because it's more where all my resources are stored. The good news about the lives too, while they're on YouTube, is that if you miss one, you could just come back and click the live on my profile, and all the lives are there. So that's the other benefit to being on YouTube. Yes, Khan Academy. Thank you. Yes. So that's what it is. So the objective is for you to, if you use college because you're in school, Lorenzo, bachelor's degree on Instagram, master's degree on TikTok, doctorate here on YouTube. This is how you master your personal accountability. You become an expert, and then you start holding other people personally accountable too. That is the objective, so we can change the world, and we don't have to have State Farm and phenomenal towing experiences in our day-to-day life.